Hi my friends, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a bit different. While it's still makeup related, we're actually going to be talking more about makeup tools, specifically brushes in today's video versus actual makeup products. I've done a couple videos here and there talking about my favorite makeup tools, specifically my favorite foundation brushes, my beauty sponges. I'll link those videos here in the cards or down in the description box below if you wanted to check them out. But today's video, we're actually going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm really excited about this unboxing because we're going to be unboxing a mystery box from MODA Brushes, if you guys have heard about them. MODA Brushes, just like the name, they basically sell only makeup tools, brushes, sponges, and tools. And about a week ago, I saw on their Instagram that they were doing mystery boxes, and those boxes contained all makeup tools, which I assumed to be makeup brushes. And I figured it would be a good opportunity to add to my makeup brush collection, specifically eyeshadow brushes, and show you guys what is all included in this box. Now, unfortunately, this box is no longer available as of the day I'm filming this video, but I did do a little bit of research and it looks like they do these, I don't want to say regularly, but they've done it before. So if you're interested, I would say give them a follow on Instagram. Just kind of keep your eye out for when they do them. The box retailed for $29. And the description, which is no longer on their website, but the description of the mystery box didn't really detail how many items you were getting, what type of items you were getting. And so it really was a mystery box in my opinion. I have used MODA brushes before. I was actually introduced to MODA brushes through BoxyCharm back when I subscribed. If you haven't noticed, I haven't filmed a BoxyCharm unboxing video in several months and I ended up canceling my subscription. But I did get introduced to MODA brushes through BoxyCharm, and I actually have one of their brushes that I absolutely love, and it's one of their crease brushes. I think I have like 2 or 3 of them, but I'll pull out the 2 that I have. I'm pretty sure I have 3. Where's the one that I've had the longest? It's in here somewhere, but I really love the MODA Pro. So this is from their Pro line, and this is called the BMX 430 crease brush. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's I would say more medium fluffy brush, not too big, not too small. And you can clearly tell which one I've used more. This one, right? That's the older one. This is the new one. I really do love this brush. I love this line. I want to say I have a couple other brushes from their Pro line that I use interchangeably, but these ones really are my favorite. So I figured I'd take my chances on the mystery box and cross my fingers that I get more of these brushes. Before we go any further, we do have clouds coming in and out. So if you're noticing a shift in the lighting, that's what that is. I do have my ring light on to kind of help compensate. But if at some points it's getting too dark right now, like right now, then you know, it's just the sun coming in and out. So after I purchased this box, I was reading some reviews and it made me a little bit nervous. And that's because some people were saying, here we go, the sun's coming out really bright right now. Some people were saying that they were kind of disappointed in the box because they got all face brushes or mostly face brushes or mostly of one type of brush. So fingers crossed that is not the case with this one. I've been talking for quite a bit. Let's go ahead and open this up. So as I open it up, that's what we've got on the inside. In addition to the mystery box, I did pick up one other item aside from it, and so I'll just show you guys that right off the bat. I picked up the MODA Pro Conceal Brush. So this is it right here. You can see it is that same line as those crease blender brushes that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm just going to set this on the side. Oh wow, we've got some goodies in here. So here we got the box. And the first thing I'm gonna pull out is we got a MODA Pro Variety Magic Sponge kind of set. It's a 4-pack, so we've got these beauty sponges, different sizes and shapes. I will say the containers that they in are pretty hard to open in my opinion, so just be careful you don't cut yourself with the plastic. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Okay, so we've got this kind of shape here. We've got the same one in a smaller size. Look how cute that is. I don't usually use sponges this small, so I don't know. And then we've got this itty bitty guy right here. This reminds me of the Flower Beauty sponge in the shape. And then we've got the bigger equivalent size of that. Okay, so off to a good start. And so this sponge set on their website is $13.99, but it is on sale when I looked up the prices for $9.79 right now. Next item, oh, this is exciting. We got another one from the MODA Pro line, and this is their buffer brush, so for foundation or cream products. And it says here, excellent for wet and dry products, waterproof, silk touch handle, aluminum ferrule, secures bristles, and professional quality fibers. And I do believe these are synthetic fibers. This is called the Buffer BMX 180. Let's go ahead and take this out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's not super dense. They are really soft bristles. So this is what it looks like. And this guy retails for $7.99. Next thing in the box, we got a full set. Okay, so this is the MODA Prismatic Pro Makeup Brushes 7-piece total face flip kit. And it says here, again, excellent for wet and dry products, waterproof textured metallic handle, sturdy aluminum ferrule, and professional quality. So this is the set here. I love this color and the two-tone on the brushes. This flip kit does look like it comes with a stand, so that's cool. And this guy retails for $19.99. So already with those 3 items, we've pretty much made up the price of the box. Let's see if I can get this open without cutting myself. So it looks like we've got 2 face brushes. This one seems to be not as dense as the Pro Buffer, so I would say this one more for powder, like loose powder or blush even. This guy, you could use one of these kind of flat ones like for foundation. I actually like to use these for like clay face masks. I don't really enjoy these for foundation. And we've got this guy, which is an angled shader brush. And this more domed, bigger pencil brush. It says on the back smoky eye, so I wonder if you can use that in the outer corner to smoke it out. We have a angled brush. You can use this for your brows or for eyeliner. And last but not least, we have a lip brush. Okay, great. And this is the stand that it comes with. I've never seen one of these before. So let's see how this works. Okay, so you open it up and it looks like from the picture, let's see, how does this work? You'd kind of fold it like so. So it looks like you would tighten it here to get it to stand. Okay. You tighten this side, and then the other side here has these slots that you could put the brushes in. So like so, and then that way you can just pull it out. This is actually pretty cool to put on your vanity or in your makeup kit if you're doing bridal makeup or event makeup, to have your brushes standing so you can just pull them out as you go. So this is pretty neat. I don't know how I feel about this like string thing hanging off the side, but the concept is pretty cool. The next thing we have in the box is actually this little baggie here containing 6 different brushes. So this looks like a variety pack, and it looks like it's sealed. So I wonder if they have these like already pre-packaged different varieties of brushes and just throw them in the mystery box, or if they're all the same. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we have. Without breaking a nail, let me grab some scissors. Got some scissors, so let's go ahead and open this up. And we've got 6 brushes in here. The first one here, this is a Lash Brow Groomer. This is a MODA M23, and we've got this really pretty gold handle here, and this is what it looks like. This guy retails for $6.49. Looks like we have another brush as well with that gold ferrule, so they must be from the same collection. Oh, this looks like one that I will use a lot. This is the domed shadow brush. It's the MODA M13. This is what it looks like. It's a pretty big shadow brush. And it's really soft. Not too dense, but I think you could also pack color with this. And this guy retails for $7.49. Next brush we have in here, this is from their Pro line, and this is a BMX 150 highlight fan brush. So this is what it looks like. You can use this for highlight on the high points of your cheek, the bridge of your nose. To be honest, I don't use these types of brushes hardly ever. I think I've actually decluttered all the fan brushes that I've ever had, but who knows, maybe I'll start using it again. And this guy is $5.99. Okay, next we have this brush right here. It's got this bright pink one, and this one is actually from Royal and Langnickle, is that how you pronounce it? Which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that brand owns MODA Brushes or vice versa. So if you get a Royal and Langnickle brush, it's pretty much the same as the MODA Brushes. And this is a concealer brush. It's the BMD 210. And so it's a really small concealer brush. Actually, this looks like it would be really great for cutting your crease or getting like right in here. I think I would use this more for like an inner corner highlight or to cut my crease with a concealer or with a base. Okay, and we've got some more Royal and Langnickle brushes, and these have blue handles. I really like this vibrant blue color. We've got the Royal Langnickle eye shader. This is the BMD 466, and so this is a smaller shader brush compared to the one with the gold ferrule. So I'll put them side by side so you guys can get an idea. We've got the two-tone bristles. This one has the blue, definitely not as dense as the one with the gold handle, but still really nice. And this guy is $5.99. Last but not least, we have another Royal and Langnickle brush. Looks like to be from that same line as the eye shader brush that we just went over. And this is called a Flat Eye Fluff brush. This is BMD 470, and this is actually a really interesting shape. I haven't seen a brush like this for eyes before. I would feel like these types of brushes are used more for like contour. It is pretty, I don't know if you guys can see. It's pretty thick, to be honest, and not super dense. So I'm not sure what I would do with this brush, to be honest. This brush is $5.99. All right, so that is everything we got in this mystery box. So in total, we've got 7 individual brushes. We have a 4-piece sponge set, and then we have that 7-piece eye brush set. So I would say for $29 plus shipping, I think shipping was maybe $5, or I might have gotten free shipping, I don't remember. It also shipped really fast. I think I got it within less than a week or 5 business days from when I ordered it, so that's a major plus. I went ahead and totaled up the value of the items in this box just so we can compare, because on the listing for the mystery box, it didn't really say how much the box was valued at, if I remember correctly. If you also got the mystery box and you remember getting that information, leave a comment below, because I definitely don't remember seeing that. So again, the box was $29, and after totaling up everything that we have here, the value of the box was a little over $74. So we got more than double our money's worth in terms of brushes. The $74, I did account for the sale price on the sponge kit. So like I said, regular price is $13.99, but they had it on sale for $9.79, something like that on the website. Again, more than double the price. I am really happy with a lot of the brushes that I got. I think the only ones that I could probably do without would be the fan brush and then this flat eye fluff brush, which I don't know what I would use it for, but we will see. I haven't tried their sponges, so I don't know how those perform, but from the other brushes from MODA that I have tried, I'm confident in the quality of these brushes and how they're going to work on the eyes. So that is all for today's video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you snagged the MODA mystery box, or if you even knew that it was made available. And also let me know if you've ever tried the MODA brushes. I'm curious to see how many of you have tried them and whether or not it was from BoxyCharm. I feel like most of the people that I've talked to about the MODA brushes were introduced to it through BoxyCharm. So I'm interested in knowing just kind of how out there they are in the beauty community without it coming through BoxyCharm. And with that being said, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Layla. Thank you for joining us for this video. I hope you stick around. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you are a returning viewer or already a subscriber, thank you so much. Make sure to also hit the like button, and that lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. I hope you have a great day wherever you are or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.